Hello, today I'm going to talk about IKEA. So we visited the place today, the IKEA store which is in Worli, and we noted down some points which grabbed our attention of how the brand is advertising the products and making the customers want to buy it. So one of the history of IKEA is that it's a Swedish furniture brand, and it's known for its affordable products which any class people can buy. It's simple, it's practical, stylish. As we walked around IKEA, we also noticed how the furniture is being set in a homely environment, and I personally felt that that furniture would look good in my room setup. It matched my aesthetics personally, and I also liked how the furniture quality. It was really good quality, and it was also affordable at the same time. Uh, we saw how the kids section was divided, and it had study tables, bunk beds, the kids' toys. So it's focusing also on the kids so that when the kids come shopping with their parents, the kids will want that for their room. It not only included furniture for kids section, but also had furniture for sections like workplace environment or gaming. We also noticed how the staffs were there. They were kind enough to show us the furniture, to experience the furniture, how they would look good in our room environment, and by we can take advice from them by seeing if the sizing, the design language is proper. There was also cafeteria in IKEA for people to chill there. The crockeries for kitchen were really cute. It had different varieties. It mostly I saw that they followed pastel color crockeries with plates, cups, teapots, spoons, everything included. And everything was affordable. That was a good point. We also searched out that the brand colors of IKEA are blue and yellow, which is taken from the Swedish flag color. So, yeah, we experienced that it's a cute place to spend time and make memories with family also. That's all for now.
Hello. Rest of the points which we noticed were that the IKEA products, it wasn't like some store product that you see that they tell you कि they come and install it in your space. Instead, IKEA has it has the do-it-yourself kind of thingy where the boxes and all the items which you order are delivered to you, and then people take effort to make it and put it together in the spaces. So that is the creative thing that also helps people to develop. You're laughing the way. Uh, do you want to deal with this? Okay, sorry. And also, yeah, so that helps people to develop something new, which they never do because we always rely on the shopkeeper that they're gonna make it for us. So that is one thing I liked about it. And also, they were marketing those things very smartly. They had kept this furniture items and toolbox kits next to each other, which made people think that it might come in people's mind that we might need toolbox to put up this thing. So both goes together and they buy together. So that is a good strategy used to sell the products. And also as we walked through the entrance of IKEA, there were a lot of monkey which reminded us of the thing which happened now recently in the Japan Zoo, where the baby monkey was being rejected by the mother. And to find comfort, the zookeepers had given the monkey the IKEA plushie, which it loved. So even we got reminded of that, and IKEA then delivered this plushies to zoos, and they gave it out to the animals to find comfort. And yeah, we saw a lot of monkeys inside from the entrance. It was on every billing counter stuck. So that was cute and also smart. And other than that, the smart saving designs also mostly IKEA furniture which we saw, it wasn't just for huge spaces. It was made for small spaces. The people who live alone, even they can shop for IKEA. It's not just it is for family, but it is even for single individuals. So the spaces, it was the furniture was quite smartly made and designed, and how it will be executed in the actual house, as the tables and the chairs, everything was wall mounted. So once you're done using it, you can keep it back, so that saves space. And also the kitchen and everything that we saw, it was really attractive. And they also allowed people to experience it before buying it, so you could fully see what it looks like and how it will look in your own interior space. And the colors were also nice, yeah. And also the crockery and the kitchen materials which were there, the bowls and the plates, it was made from sustainable materials. Most of the bowls that we saw, which were very lightweight, which looked very good and very matte, but when we carried it, it was very lightweight and it felt like wood. So IKEA also uses sustainable products, which is eco-friendly and recycling. IKEA is a global brand, but it is also local. And also the IKEA stores, inside the store, it's like a maze. So when we were walking, we started from one point, we were looking through all the items, exploring, and then we reached there again. So it's like a circle. And also they have marked the arrows for the customers for it to be easy for them to know where to go. And all the items were in a line. The lamps, like if it was a living room decor, then the lamps, the lights, the mirrors, the sofas, like everything it wasn't just a direct arrow, it was projected from the ceiling. So even that was very smart. So yeah, we visualized a lot of things. We learned a lot of things in visualizing in IKEA, and yeah, we had fun, and also the food was really good. Yeah, bye bye.